This is Mitra class, and here we are showing the performance of the student of last year, and it is a very good result which their marks is being listed in the photograph along with their photograph and school is given here. Now, however, we are going to learn the complex number. This is the new mathematics for us with respect to class 10, and we are going to discuss in summary according to our syllabus. First, we should know the numbering system. We know the numbering is a real number and imaginary number. Imaginary number is some special number. First time we are coming to across this. Example, s square equal to minus 1. Then x equal to root over minus 1. Please note, x equal to root over minus 1, and we cannot remove the square root, and we are end of this mathematics in this case. This number is known as a imaginary number, denoted by I equal to root over minus 1. Finally, we are coming to the complex number, which is z equal to a plus bi. A plus bi. A and b are real parts of the number. I is equal to imaginary part. Example, z equal to 3 plus 4i. मतलब 4 into root over minus 1. This is known as a complex number. The complex number is consist some real parts with imaginary parts. That is, it be added or it can be subtracted. Next, we are going to little bit more of the complex number. Example, already we have talked s square equal to minus 1 and root over s square equal to root over minus 1, x equal to root over minus 1. That means I have told I equal to root over minus 1, but I square equal to root over minus 1 into root over minus 1. I square equal to minus 1. This is we should know. And we can derive later on I cube, I4, I6 and so on, so that we have to some problem to be simplified later on. Next, now we have to learn conjugate complex number. Conjugate complex number. Symbol is being denoted z star. मतलब z equal to x plus iy. X plus iy. तो z star equal to x minus iy. But note, conjugate complex number of a complex number is negative by opposite sign of imaginary side. Here it is the imaginary side iy and it become a minus iy. Graphically, notation of a complex number is shown here. You will see this is the real part axis and this is imaginary part. मतलब z equal to x plus iy, x will be marked in the real part and in coordinate geometry like, and y will be marked y direction. Finally, r equal to x plus iy, that is our given complex number. Now, we want to write conjugate complex number, that value equal to x minus iy. मतलब IY negative value to be considered as a conjugate complex number. But note, earlier Y was a positive, now Y is a negative. The graph is a this side, X minus IY. Complex number, naturally we have already learned, it is a consist of real number and imaginary number. So we can say real part, imaginary part are subset of a complex number. Next, two complex number is given and they are being declared are equal, then the condition will be real part equal to real part and imaginary part equal to imaginary part. Say A plus BI equal to C plus DI and they are being declared they are equal to each other. Hence A equal to C, that is our real part, and B equal to D, that is our complex part. मतलब this value equal to this value and this value equal to this value. তাহলে condition of two equal complex number, that means they are equal real part and complex part equal to complex part. A and C are the real part of the two complex side and B and D are the two component of imaginary part. If they are equal, then the complex number will be equal. Here some simple mathematics solving of the problem is mentioned in here. Suppose two complex number A plus BI plus C plus DI, we want to add together real part will be added and complex part to be added as shown in the figure. And that example 2 plus 3i plus 1 plus 5i, 2 plus 1 3 and 3i plus 5i, 3 plus 5 bracket में as it is shown equal to finally result 3 plus 8i. Next, subtracting, more or less saying, that means real part minus real part plus imaginary part minus imaginary part, that is A plus A minus C plus B minus D I. তাহলে A minus C and B minus D. Finally we are getting 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 5 minus 2i. This is the subtraction of a complex number. Next, multiplication of a complex number. A plus BI multiplied by C plus DI, that multiplication result AC and BD, very careful, AC BD plus AD and BCI. This is also can be simplified later on when we will do the problem. It will be more simplified, not required to memorize this type of formula. However, you should know. Example here, 2 plus 3i, 1 plus 5i. And 2 or 1 real part, 3 and 5 real part, multiply karo, minus karo. Then 2, 5, मतलब 1 real part, 1 imaginary part and 3, 1 imaginary part, another real part, multiply karo, then finally plus minus algebraic sum karke, and we will find the result as shown in the figure. Now also division, there is some thing we have to do, that is it is equivalent to rationalizing. What is to be done here? It is equivalent to rationalizing. Example, A plus BI divided by c plus di. Multiplying both sides, মানে numerator and denominator, the c minus di divided by c minus di. That means we are multiplying the denominator in both sides of the fraction number. Next, we are getting a plus bi into c minus di as a numerator. After multiplication, we are getting ac bd, bc minus ad, just like earlier formula. And denominator, we have a c plus di and c minus di. That means it is a multiplication of two conjugate complex number. That means c square plus d square, c square plus d square. Mathematics will tell in details, and we are able to learn. First, you try to understand what the basic formula of the multiplication or division. Next, what is the use of a complex number? Complex number is equivalent to a vector quantity. Complex number is equivalent to a vector quantity. It can be used as a vector, plane, straight line, parabola, so many things we can, in different area we can use. Here we already seen it is a complex number is being represented in a plane. That means when you are talking the plane and we have a coordinate system of 2 dimensions which we have read in class 10. Later on we will read the 3-dimensional coordinate system. Later on, not now. Now, like 10, we have learned xy plane, and we have x direction is a real part and y direction is a imaginary part, that already being discussed. Now, tan theta equal to y by x, theta equal to tan inverse y by x. What is the meaning? Suppose a complex number z is x plus iy, if we represent by a plane, then it is a straight line. As shown earlier, let this straight line makes an angle theta with the x-axis. Then tan theta ordinate by abscissa, ordinate equal to y, abscissa equal to x, as shown in the earlier figure, and theta equal to tan inverse y by x. This is also new trigonometry, will be learned later on. Hence, theta also known as the argument z, argument arg z, tan inverse y by x. But remember, z not equal to 0. Z cannot be 0. Next, you see, for simplicity purpose in your mathematical calculation, complex number is being represented in polar form. It can be also presented in polar form. Already you know the coordinate system of the complex number x and y. Suppose a complex number z equal to x and iy, and already know abscissa matlab x direction is a x direction में x, and ordinate of this complex number y equal to in y direction, by ordinate equal to y. Then naturally we have learned x by r matlab adjacent side by hypotenuse equal to cos theta equal to x by r, hence x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Later on we will learn this formula only instead of doing the calculation like earlier. That is x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Theta is the angle made by the complex number with the abscissa means x-axis. Now, x and r, again coming r equal to root over s square by s square plus y square, s square plus y square. That means triangle, we have already seen earlier a triangle is being formed as x coordinate and y coordinate which is perpendicular to each other. Hence hypotenuse theorem, r square equal to s square plus y square, r equal to root over s square plus y square, root over s square plus y square. Hence x plus iy, x plus iy equal to r cos theta plus r sin theta y. R cos theta already talked x and r sin theta is y. R sin theta is y multiplied by I. This is the representation of a complex number in polar form. Why we are doing this type? Because later on our multiplication division can be done by the trigonometry which is more simple than our complex algebra. Next, very important theorem, and there is a few application according to your syllabus, but in higher cases this theorem is very important. Example, let z equal to r cos theta plus r sin theta I, that is polar form of a complex number. Now this complex number multiplied by whole to the power n, here it is shown on multiplied by n, actually it is a whole to the power n. Then we can write r to the power n, please note it is not rn, r to the power n cos power n theta plus I sin n theta. Then what we learn? A complex number in polar form whole to the power n equal to r to the power n bracket cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Now suppose say example, again we are talking what is the r, already we have explained. Suppose x equal to 8 and y equal to 6, r equal to root over 8 square plus 6 square equal to root over 100 equal to 10. Here is a modulus z, also known r equal to 10. This is the angle theta equal to y by x, y equal to y by x, y का value 6, x का value 8, theta can be calculated and this equation finally can be developed if it is whole to the power 3 or 4 and so on. Next, Euler's formula. This is very highly applicable in complex number, because problem become very simple if we apply Euler's formula of complex number. And what the complex number says, again you see the z equal to r cos theta plus j sin theta, that is the equation of the polar form, which is basically x plus I y by ij. In your cases it is mentioned as a j, but in textbook by other book it is also mentioned as a I. Hence cos theta plus j sin theta or I sin theta is known e to the power I theta, e to the power I theta. So remember, e to the power I theta means cos theta plus I sin theta, or e to the power z theta equal to cos theta plus j sin theta. Hence z equal to r cos theta plus j sin theta, that is x plus iy. Now z equal to r e to the power z theta. Example, here it is given some example. Here you see z equal to x plus iy, e to the power z, not multiplication, e to the power z equal to e to the power x plus jy. According to our mathematics, this is e to the power x into e to the power jy. Now, e to the power x is a real part being separated. E to the power jy equal to cos y plus j sin y. Already we have talked. E to the power j theta equal to cos theta plus j sin theta. Here theta is, instead of theta, it is given y, cos y plus I sin y. So this type of multiplication to be applied during the mathematics, but I think in your cases there is this type of formula not there. Now graphical representation of this Euler's formula. You see here, this is the coordinate of the plane x and y, and instead of x, this is the real part and this is your imaginary part. Then you see, and this is your xy coordinate or cos theta or sin theta, and theta is the angle with the x-axis, and naturally this is sin theta, this is cos theta, and etc. This is the graphical representation of Euler's formula. Now this is our end of the theory of the complex number, and we will talk in details while doing the numerical, that is separate video will come to you.